Welcome to my channel Let's Craftify.
As the month of December has started, this video is planned with me Bullet Journal, so let's get on to the video.
The theme which I have chosen for this month is winter. So for this page I am making a frozen ice on the top with pointed edges. You can see I am coloring it with blue color. Then I am making a snowman enjoying in the snow. I am using dark brown sketch pen for its hand. Now I am coloring its carrot with orange color and muffler with red and dark green. This is the song from movie Frozen. It matched the theme well, so I thought to add it in the diary. Now I am making this tree and filling it with brown color. Now I am making these mountains using black marker. Then I am making these snowflakes, for which I am using light and dark blue marker. Then I am writing the name of this month. And this page is all completed. Now for this page, I thought to write a quote. I am using light and dark blue brush pens to write it. To make this page more attractive, I am making a reindeer on the top. Now I am using dark and light blue markers to make some dots and snowflakes on the whole page. Now I am making a December to-do list. For it, first I am writing December on the top using light blue brush pen, and I am writing to-do list between it. I am also writing the year here. Now I am making a paper roll here in which I will write all the things to do. Now I am going to make snowflakes all around the paper. Our to-do list is completed. Now I am going to make a brain dump, and for it I am writing brain dump on the top using a light blue brush pen. Now I want to give some foggy touch to make a forest, and for that I am using black and grey paint. Let's cut and paste it to our page. Now I am pasting it on the paper. It's a forest, so it obviously needs some trees. I'm also making some snowflakes, and I am also making some dots all over the page. Now I am making a habit tracker, for which I am writing habit tracker on the top. I am also filling color inside it using a light blue brush pen. Now I am making the grids in which I am going to mark all the habits. On the top of every grid, I am writing the names of the habit to be tracked. Now I am making snowflakes on the top and the bottom of the page. Our habit tracker is completed. So let's make the mood tracker. To make the mood tracker, first I am writing mood tracker on the top in the same way like which I write in the habit tracker. Now I am making a border line using a light blue marker. Now I am making a snowflake in which I am going to track the mood. Here I am mentioning all the moods. I have used different shades of blue for the moods. Our mood tracker is also completed. And it's time to make the weekly spread. So for the weekly spread, I am writing name of the month using dark blue brush pen and the dates from light blue brush pen. I am making snowflakes and dots around the name of the month. Now I am making the boxes using light and dark blue marker. I left the gaps to make star snowflakes in which I am going to write dates. Now I am writing dates inside the stars. I am writing next week in the last block. I am adding some snowflakes and dots to the page. Our weekly spread is also ready. I am going to show you all the pages once again. That's all for my today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching.